The T-72B3 main battle tank stands as a testament to Russia's commitment to modernizing its armored forces. This formidable war machine represents a significant leap in capability from its predecessors, incorporating advanced technologies to enhance its firepower, protection, and mobility. The T-72B3 embodies a cost-effective approach to maintaining a potent armored force capable of meeting the challenges of contemporary warfare. This essay delves into the intricacies of the T-72B3, exploring its historical lineage, technical specifications, and battlefield performance. We will examine the evolutionary journey of the T-72 series, culminating in the development of the B3 variant. Our analysis will encompass the tank's armor, armament, mobility, fire control systems, and crew ergonomics, highlighting the key improvements that make it a formidable force on the modern battlefield. Finally, we will assess the T-72B3's combat performance, examining its deployment in recent conflicts and its overall effectiveness as a weapon system. By understanding the capabilities of this modern Russian battle tank, we gain valuable insights into the evolving nature of armored warfare and Russia's strategic posture in an increasingly complex geopolitical landscape. The T-72B3 serves as a reminder that the evolution of armored warfare is a continuous process, driven by technological innovation and the ever-present need to adapt to new threats on the battlefield. The T-72B3's roots can be traced back to the Cold War, a period marked by intense military competition between the Soviet Union and the West. This era saw both sides amassing vast arsenals of tanks, missiles, and other military hardware in a bid to outdo each other. The original T-72, introduced in the early 1970s, was designed as a robust and cost-effective tank to counter the NATO threat. It was a product of intense engineering efforts aimed at creating a vehicle that could be produced in large numbers without compromising on performance. Its development was heavily influenced by the Soviet experience in World War II, emphasizing ease of production, reliability, and firepower. The lessons learned from the brutal tank battles of that war were incorporated into the T-72's design, making it a formidable opponent on the battlefield. The T-72 proved to be a successful design, becoming a mainstay of Soviet and later Russian armored formations. Its widespread use and adaptability made it a favorite among tank crews and military strategists alike. However, the end of the Cold War and the emergence of new military technologies necessitated upgrades to keep pace with evolving threats. The rapid advancements in anti-tank weaponry and battlefield tactics meant that the T-72 needed significant enhancements to remain relevant. This led to a series of modernization programs aimed at enhancing the T-72's capabilities, culminating in the development of the T-72B3. These programs were not just about adding new technology, but also about rethinking the tank's role in modern warfare. The T-72B3 modernization program, launched in the 2010s, focused on improving the tank's firepower, protection, mobility, and command and control capabilities. This comprehensive upgrade ensured that the T-72B3 could face contemporary threats head-on. The program's objective was to extend the service life of existing T-72B tanks, while significantly enhancing their combat effectiveness against modern threats. Rigorous testing and field exercises were conducted to validate these upgrades. The T-72B3 incorporates a range of upgrades, including a new engine, improved armor, enhanced fire control systems, and advanced communications equipment. These improvements have transformed the T-72B3 into a more lethal and survivable platform. These enhancements are a testament to the T-72's adaptability and the Russian military's commitment to maintaining a potent armored force. The T-72B3's upgrades ensure that it can operate effectively in diverse combat scenarios. The T-72B3 represents a cost-effective solution for modernizing existing tank fleets, bridging the gap between older generation tanks and more sophisticated but expensive designs. This balance of cost and capability makes it an attractive option for many nations. The T-72B3's combination of affordability and enhanced capabilities has made it an attractive option for several countries looking to bolster their armored forces. Its adoption by various militaries around the world underscores its effectiveness and reliability in modern combat. The T-72B3 retains the T-72 series' characteristic low profile, designed to reduce its visibility and present a smaller target on the battlefield. This low profile is a strategic advantage, making it harder for enemy forces to detect and target the tank from a distance. However, this design choice comes with inherent limitations in terms of internal volume, impacting crew comfort and limiting the extent of armor upgrades. The cramped interior can be challenging for the crew, especially during extended missions. Despite these constraints, the T-72B3 incorporates significant improvements in armor protection, enhancing its survivability against a range of threats. These upgrades ensure that the tank can withstand modern battlefield conditions. One of the key upgrades in the T-72B3 is the addition of Contact 5 Explosive Reactive Armor, or ERA panels. These panels are a game-changer in modern tank warfare. These panels, mounted on the tank's hull and turret, provide an additional layer of protection against shaped charge warheads, such as those found in rocket-propelled grenades and anti-tank guided missiles. This added protection is crucial in close combat scenarios. Contact 5 ERA works by detonating outward when struck by a projectile, disrupting the penetrator's jet and reducing its effectiveness. This mechanism significantly diminishes the damage that would otherwise penetrate the tank's armor. In addition to Contact 5 ERA, the T-72B3 features improved passive armor compared to its predecessors. This passive armor is designed to absorb and deflect incoming rounds. The tank's glacis plate, the heavily sloped front section of the hull, is believed to be reinforced with composite armor, providing increased protection against kinetic energy penetrators. This sloped design helps in deflecting incoming projectiles. The turret also likely incorporates composite armor elements, enhancing its resistance to penetration from various threats. This makes the turret a formidable part of the tank's defense system. Furthermore, the T-72B3 is equipped with an NBC, or Nuclear, Biological, Chemical Protection System, safeguarding the crew from the effects of weapons of mass destruction. This system is vital in modern warfare where such threats are a reality. This system creates a sealed environment within the tank, filtering the air and maintaining overpressure to prevent the ingress of harmful agents. The air filtration system ensures that the crew can operate in contaminated environments without risk. The T-72B3's combination of ERA, improved passive armor, and NBC protection system significantly enhances its survivability on the modern battlefield. These features collectively make the T-72B3 a formidable opponent in any combat scenario, ensuring that it can withstand and adapt to the evolving threats of modern warfare. The T-72B3 retains the 125mm 2A46M5 smoothbore gun, a staple of the T-72 series. This gun has been a reliable and powerful component of the T-72 family for decades, known for its robustness and effectiveness in various combat scenarios. This powerful cannon is capable of firing a variety of ammunition, including armor-piercing fin-stabilized discarding sabot rounds, high-explosive anti-tank rounds, and high-explosive fragmentation rounds. Each type of ammunition serves a specific purpose, making the T-72B3 versatile on the battlefield. The 2A46M5 gun gives the T-72B3 a formidable anti-tank capability, allowing it to engage enemy armor at significant ranges. This capability ensures that the T-72B3 can hold its own against modern armored threats, providing a strategic advantage in tank warfare. One of the notable features of the 125mm gun is its ability to fire the 9M119 reflex anti-tank guided missile. This missile extends the tank's reach, allowing it to strike targets that are beyond the range of conventional tank rounds. The reflex missile is laser beam riding, meaning it follows a laser beam projected by the tank's fire control system towards the target. This advanced guidance system ensures that the missile remains on course, even in challenging combat conditions. This guidance system provides a high degree of accuracy, even at extended ranges, significantly enhancing the T-72B3's ability to engage enemy tanks and other armored vehicles. The precision of the reflex missile makes it a formidable tool in the tank's arsenal. The T-72B3 also carries a coaxial 7.62mm PKT machine gun mounted to the right of the main armament. This machine gun is designed to complement the main gun, providing additional firepower against a variety of threats. This machine gun serves as a secondary weapon for engaging infantry, light vehicles, and aerial targets at close range. Its versatility makes it an essential component of the T-72B3's defensive and offensive capabilities. Additionally, a 12.7mm NSVT heavy machine gun is mounted on the commander's cupola, providing the tank with enhanced air defense capabilities and the ability to engage enemy snipers and other high-value targets. This heavy machine gun adds another layer of protection and offensive power to the T-72B3. The T-72B3's firepower is further enhanced by its advanced fire control system, which we will delve into in a later section. This system integrates all the tank's weapons and targeting systems, ensuring seamless operation and coordination during combat. This sophisticated system allows the crew to acquire and engage targets quickly and accurately, maximizing the effectiveness of the tank's main gun and secondary weapons. The advanced fire control system is a key factor in the T-72B3's combat effectiveness, making it a formidable opponent on the battlefield.